initiative and help for introducing yourselves. And it's good to see that we have majority of the participants as teachers, ATL mentors, ATL in charges who have joined us today for this orientation. So let's begin our session on the gaming solution. This solution is brought to you by Atal Innovation Mission Niti Aayog with support from Dell Technologies, and this is implemented by Learning Link Foundation. So my name is Azad Ali and I am from ATL Gaming Module team. So let's proceed with the session. Initiative is by Atal Innovation Mission Niti Aayog and with support from Dell Technologies. It's being implemented by Learning Links Foundation. So to begin with, why this gaming solution? So let's begin with what is this ATL gaming solution all about. And before that, I would request other participants to please mute your mics so that others don't get disturbed and could hear us properly. So this ATL gaming solution is a unique platform that helps to enhance the learning through game-based education and develop future skills like creativity, critical thinking, problem solving, and much more by leveraging the power of technology. This online open source portal is set to impact the ATL community and the schools across the country and aims to raise awareness about the need of developing future skills to start at the school level itself. Now we have researched and we found that the data by World Economic Forum that predicts by 2025 more than 52% of the work will be taken over by machines. Also, there is a report that says that around 40% of jobs that exist today will be outdated by the year 2030. Thus, we want our students to become creators of technology and not just its consumers. You can see how the demand is changing from how we work today to how the work will happen by the end of the next decade. And for that, we will be needing to have a specific set of skills that are problem solving, creativity, design-based thinking, just to name a few. Here you can see that 40% of the jobs that exist today may be outdated by the year 2030. Okay, and these are a few set of skills that are to be required to be present in the workforce of tomorrow. So in order to address this, we came up with a solution called the ATL gaming module, which anyone can access from the school level itself and might think to change their passion into a profession and developing the skills that are required for the workforce of tomorrow. Now there are a few key features that we'd like to discuss here in this slide that you are able to see now. So all the courses that are made available in this gaming solution are aligned with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, and these are based with an aim to introduce the students to gaming while they design their own interactive games. And as I said to you earlier that this is an open source and online platform. This is free of cost and anyone who has a zeal and interest to learn, they can join. And we have the modules which help the users learn with project oriented way of learning. And in order to access this, like any online platform, you need to have a laptop and internet connectivity. Now the courses
Just
are
to add on, sorry, just to add on to it, any ATL or non-ATL school can join this particular program, can go to the website. It is not mandatory that it is only been accessible for the ATL schools. Thank you.
thanks for adding that, Salman. So the courses that currently are available in this gaming platform are three, and they are classified as beginner, intermediate, and advanced level, in which we'll be learning about Scratch, Construct Game Engine, and Unity software respectively. And all these courses are aligned to United Nations SDGs, as I said, which you can go through when you access the course. The reason for aligning these courses with the Sustainable Development Goals is that while the users learn the game development, they also become aware of challenges or hazards that our environment is facing and what the world is planning to mitigate them. Now, as we see in the beginner course, we have Scratch as a tool to learn this course, which is a simple drag and drop block programming platform, which is developed by Massachusetts Institute of Technology, which is there in the United States of America. So this is aligned with the SDG 13, which is the climate action. As an example, games like Fruit Ninja, which is very popular among majority of the smartphone users, can be designed and developed using Scratch. Now, as you can see, the second intermediate level course based on the game engine named Construct, which is a HTML5 based game engine. So if you have played any online games, then most of them might have been developed using Construct game engine. So as of now, beginner and intermediate courses are live and are available for access on the gaming solution. Unity will be made available in the course of time. Okay, so let's go through how we can access this gaming solution. As pointed out that it is open to any ATL or non-ATL student or person. Okay, so in order to access the gaming solution, as you can see on the screen, there's a URL. You have to go to the website aim.gov.in. I repeat, this is aim.gov.in. In the header section, select Atal Tinkering Labs. There's a tab there and click on ATL curriculum. A new page will open. Scroll down to the topic as you can see here. So if you select Atal Tinkering Labs and ATL curriculum, which you see as the fourth option in here, you go down and in the new page it will show as ATL gaming module. Just when you click on it, you will be seeing two more options. Click on the gaming module, which you can see on the screen in blue color, and it will open the gaming solution website. Now this will take you to the gaming solution web portal, which is planetcode.in. Okay, so this is a home page of this platform, which has the registration option, course category, and sample games. Once you click on sign up or register, so you can see and access all those things. Okay, so this is a sign up page that you might be able to see on your screens right now. You can register here to access the courses by providing the required information on the sign up page. One thing that I'd like to stress here is make sure to give your correct email address and remember your date of birth, whatever you give in while registration, as this will be required in case you forget your password. Okay. And once you register, there are three courses. As we said, the Construct and Scratch are currently live. So you can go and click on those courses. And once you click on any video, so these are video based lectures, this kind of a screen will appear. As you can see on the left hand of your screen, left side, it's written about game development. So once I click on this, the video starts playing in the black portion, which is there at the center of the screen. So would you like to add anything over here?
No, I think, yeah, so you have covered everything as of now. But just adding on to it, as you can see, there is one more download option. So in case you're not able to see the video, or you're facing any problem with your internet connectivity, you can download the script for the video and you can follow the steps mentioned. So it's a transcript of the same video. So if you follow the script, you will be able to create your games as well.
Thank you for that, sir. Sir was telling that there's a download option which is there here. If you are able to see my mouse pointer just beside above game development option. Forward.
So as majority of our
sir, please once go back after opening the ATL aim.gov.in. After that, what do you have to do with?
So yes, ma'am. So once you go to aim.gov.in, on the header section, you will see a tab called Atal Tinkering Lab. You have to click on that and select ATL curriculum. Once you select ATL curriculum, you will be taken through a new page where all the curriculums under the ATL program is being listed. Scroll down to a section called ATL Gaming Module. Open that section. You will be see something called Gaming Module and Gaming Additional Activity Sheet. click on the gaming module, and it will redirect you to a new page called planetcode.in, and that is a platform which need to be accessed, where the gaming sessions are available. For before accessing it, it is mandatory to sign up yourself. So please register yourself with the proper email ID and the username which you are able to remember, and the suitable password. In case of password, if you're not able to recollect the password, the date of birth and the email address that is been input can should be used as should be used for resetting the password. Right. So as we have majority of teachers over here who have joined this particular session, what we will be doing, we'll be talking majorly about how the teachers can contribute to it. For that, let's just wait for the particular slide to appear, and I list down some of the major contributions that the teacher can make, as since the teacher play a major role in the school, and we would also
Sir,
rely on.
sir,
Sorry. Yes, ma'am.
sir, I am going to register in the link, but showing,
uh,
showing
I would
grant
request.
related queries, set up an ATL, guidelines for ATL, selection process and timeline, compliance process
Sorry
for ATL
to
grant in it.
Sure. Sorry to cut you here. I would request you to keep noting down your queries, and we will try to resolve that at the end of the session. Thank you so much. So bringing back to the same topic, that how the teacher can contribute, as I was talking about, that we would also rely heavily on the contribution towards this particular initiative, which is towards building the nation, building nation and building our country as innovative.
Sir,
Sorry. Yes. So yeah, so as I was talking about the contribution, so some of the teacher contribution, as you can see on the screen, that we can take this initiative to the school and the students, so that they can access and learn, and use the tool and platform on the solution to give assignments and projects to the student. So as we are all aware that especially during this lockdown time, we can keep the student engaged and energized by introducing to this initiative, and asking them to create interactive games. Also, to adding on to it, as we know that this is a summer season, and most of as the summer season has started and the schools have gone on vacation, or maybe down south the schools would be reopening soon, but due to the COVID situation, the school opening is little unclear. So we can conduct various virtual summer camps as well, where the student can engage themselves in game designing and game creation. uh, in other facts, we can say that we would require teacher support in conducting these small short sessions or trainings for your peers, so that they stay updated on the technological skills of themselves. So I'm sure that the teachers who have joined, definitely there would be a huge learning happening through these webinars. There are lot of learning which would be happening, and this will enhance if if this particular course on the module can be accessed by them. You can share the resources within your school or external WhatsApp groups, through messages, through mails, or any medium which you are currently using in, so as to create awareness about this particular unique solution, and improving game development skill among, not only among students, but to that other teachers, to the community, to your friends, family members, or anybody who's willing to learn. Because gaming skill has been booming up a lot, and we foresee this one of the lifelong learning skill, and it will stay with somebody who wants to convert his skill into a professional. So the future of gaming is very bright, so it is always recommended, it is suggested that we start learning this skill. And Atal Innovation Mission is very proud to say that we have brought up this particular initiative in order to ensure that the learning is ongoing for everybody. anything to be, and yeah, if you are a student, as you can see that we have listed down something for the student as well, that they can start their journey of learning by going to the website. And if the student is not very much aware about the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, this is one platform which will help the student to understand about UN SDGs in more detail, as well as to understand about the ground problems, the challenges which the country and the world is facing on a daily level, on a daily basis. Secondly, they can keep themselves updated with the AIM website, and they can part on the different tinkering home challenge, tinker from home challenges which are coming. Um, Share these learnings among your friends and peers so that they can understand that what is it that the growth of a child is happening just by sitting at even at home. I'm sure there would be a lot of assignments and a lot of homeworks which would be given if the school is already started on a virtual basis. But maybe this particular platform will add on value to the assignment, to the work which the student will be able to submit through a whole lot of technological advancement.
Thank
Right.
you for that, sir. Just to add on a few more pointers, like if I'm a ATL in charge or a teacher, how this access and creating awareness about this gaming solution will be beneficial to me. So there are a few things that I would like to tell you. First is, as teachers will be able to upgrade their skills using this gaming solution and gaming engines. This will be a lifelong learning skill, as sir pointed out rightly. This will also help in enhancing their own creativity and critical thinking skills, among a lot of other skills that are improved. We are also working on providing a certificate to the teachers who take this initiative to the students and community and notify us via email. With this, both the teacher and students can go beyond the regular classroom training. As I was pointing out, that you can give in assignments and projects which students can create and complete using the gaming solution. Also, this can help in creating your own teaching aids. As a teacher, if I want to create my own teaching aids and animations on the subjects and its concepts, which students can learn by very easily by playing games. You will also be a part of an initiative that is aiming towards creating innovators of tomorrow, which is the initiative of Atal Innovation Mission. And you can also take this to any non-ATL school, like one of our fellow participant asked, like if I'm a non-ATL person, can I join in? Yes, you can join in. Also, I urge the ATL in charges or or people who are already associated with ATL to take this to the non-ATL schools or the community schools surrounding their ATL and introduce them to this initiative and help them also participate and contribute.
Sir, I have a question. May I please raise my question? Hello?
Uh,
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am. We will take up the
Sir,
questions in a while. We'll be opening
okay.
up the Q&A
No
session. We
issues.
would request
No
you to
issues.
raise the
Sure.
question. Thank you so
Sir.
much.
so,
As we have listed down I mean, how to proceed with this particular initiative, and some of the key takeaways that we have foreseen in this particular session is that we got to know about the ATL gaming solution that we have come up with, and what is the need of the gaming solution, how it is going to help the students, what are the features of this solution and the courses available. We have three courses: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Beginner and intermediate are already live and we can be accessed by anybody, and it is very interesting that as they are aligned with UN SDGs, and simultaneously it will give good grasp of knowledge of Scratch platform and the Construct platform. So that's another thing. Then we took you through the how to access the portal, going from Atal Innovation Mission page to the website, and how to register yourself and how to take up the course. Most importantly, that we talked about the teachers, that how the teachers can contribute to this particular initiative and how will it be beneficial for you. So that is one major key takeaway which we foresee, and we urge, as just rightly said, that we urge the cooperation of the teachers who are already a part of ATL to take this particular initiative, create awareness about this gaming solution, gaming module, integrate that with your subjective expertise as to just to give a glimpse of the subjective you can say that if you're a science teacher, you can give an assignment on designing a game, solving a problem which you foresee in your regular classroom, or if you are or if you are English communications or any language communication teacher, maybe an educational or a storyboard game can be given as an assignment for the students to work upon. So there is a huge I would say chances or huge scope of learning is there if it is being rightly used. So now we are open up for any queries. Asjad, if you like to add anything to it.
Yeah, that would be it, sir. As we were getting many queries during the session, so we'll be taking the queries for now.
Sure. So we are open up for queries now. We would request you to you can write your queries in the chat section, or you can unmute yourself and raise your queries by raising hand. So yeah.
So may I answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, I have one only question that
I would request all the members just call out your name and from which school you belong to, so that we are aware about the figures. Yeah, thank you so much, ma'am. Yeah.
This is Ms. Priyanka Gupta calling from DPS GBN Sector 132.
Sure.
Sir, I have a query that as we have got to know about that we have 3 different modules which are available, 3 different levels in gaming section, right?
Right.
Just to understand more that any specific computer language that a child need to pursue to have better clarity of the concept, or it is generally will be understood by each and every child of the class 7 to 8?
Yes. So any child, irrespective of the programming knowledge or background of it, the child can access these particular platform. It has been carefully designed in considering that there shouldn't be any initial requirement of programming knowledge which is required for a student. As we rightly said that it is a scratch programming, which is a visual drag and drop programming, and it is very easy to once anybody goes through the course, they will be able to create games around it very easily. So there is no mandate that there should be any knowledge of programming which is required for accessing these courses.
Thank you very much.
I can see that there are queries which have been written. Ms. Preeti had written, will it be possible for primary student to develop a game? Yes, it is possible for a primary student, but we would urge that the student should go very slowly with the beginner course itself till the time he has a good grasp of that course, and then surely once the child is confident enough can go to the other courses for sure. Ms. Poonam has asked for the link for registration. Yes, we will be after this particular session. Soon we will be rolling out all the references, resources which are available with us. We'll be sharing it over mail with you so that you can in turn share it with your set of students and the peers who you feel are confident enough of taking this initiative forward.
Also, Ms. Preeti has asked that after developing the game, how we should share it with the student. So there will be, once the game is developed, there will be a format .sb3, that's the scratch game format, the scratch file. So you can share it via email, or if the file size is less than maybe like in the WhatsApp or the social media shareable limit, so you can share it over that platforms as well.
One of the queries of Ms. Isa is how can a student from non-ATL school receive information about the further webinars conducted? We would request, so that is where we need teacher support heavily. If you are aware about any non-ATLs which are having an access, as we have an access of ATL schools, so we are able to reach out to them. If you have schools who you feel that they can take up this particular initiative, we are happy to take it forward. We would request you to just write a mail to us with the detail of that, or you can connect us to that particular school for which we'll start involving them as well in the initiative. Another query is what is the name of the site? So the name of the website is you can access the website from aim.gov.in, as well as the website is planetcode.in, planetcode.in.
Sir, Nanun, this side from Delhi Public School, Sushant Lok, Gurgaon. I would like
Yes,
to
sir.
ask you that whether do you have any drop-in like drag and drop facility in this gaming module, like Minecraft has, or it is an open
Yes.
source coding only?
So as you had pointed it out, sir, so both of the things are interlinked actually. Minecraft also has the drag and drop programming, and yes, the beginner course is purely on drag and drop programming only. And when it comes to construct, it is also similar to drag and drop programming, but a little advanced version of it. But it is very interesting. So if
Yeah, drag.
you can create games like Mario, if or Fruit Ninja. These not only Fruit Ninja, Supersonic, or uh, any online games which you see that the web on the websites. Those kind of games can be created using Construct.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Miss Vandana has
Another
asked
query.
that
Yes, sir.
we'll be
So,
sharing the mail ID by the end of this session, wherein you can put in your queries and we'll be responding you back. Yes, ma'am. Please go.
hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Please.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes. So yeah, it's audible, ma'am. Can you tell your query? Okay, so the query which we have come is, can we have a track of how many of our school students has registered and their progress? Yes, soon. So this is one interesting feature that we are soon bringing out for all the teachers, that you will be able to have your own dashboard from where you can access the students' portfolio completely, and you can actually give your assignment details and everything. So soon we'll be having a teacher module as well over the Planet Code website on the portal. And another question: can a middle class student of 6 to 8 work on this without prior knowledge of programming? Yes, definitely. The course is designed specifically for all level of students, and irrespective of their understanding of programming knowledge. This course can be accessed. So there is no programming prior knowledge is required. Mona Lisa ma'am has asked, are the developed games compatible with mobile platform? Yes. So the Scratch, the games which are developed in Scratch can be accessed only in Scratch, but it is majorly been it is given so that to create a spark among students for towards gaming. But the games in the intermediate level can be converted into HTML and the mobile game for the mobile games. Uh, Will the
Sir.
teacher be able to monitor the student while they are attempting the games, like in terms of score? Yes, teachers will be able to monitor. As I told, we'll be coming up with the teacher dashboard and the teacher platform in itself, which if you have already registered yourself, we will be transferring you to a teacher section where you will be able to access, add your students in the group and give assignments, check their records and everything. Yes, ma'am. Sorry, you had a query.
Good
Yes, ma'am.
evening, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Can you tell your query, please?
So while I
Is
Good
yes.
evening, sir.
Good evening.
While I was doing the game Trees Are Lifeline, it didn't
Mhm.
had the game's complete coding.
Yes. Yes.
So
So the reason we haven't given the complete coding is that we, as you have already completed the 3 modules of that particular course, we wanted the student to think beyond think beyond that, and we wanted the student to think what can be the next step. But surely there will be, but once we get a good response of it, we'll be surely uploading the next series, next set of video instructions for that particular code. But I would urge you to think creatively and think about what next can be done in that game and how can you finish that game.
Okay, so Mr.
Thank you,
Sandeep
sir.
Mahajan has asked the question that is there any tutorial for this, or can you give some demo to design? So as we said, in the courses itself, we have step-by-step and module-by-module tutorials available inside the gaming solution. So you can access that. And as we often have level-wise, so in each level, you will be shown how you can design what all blocks or codes you have to use, and you can follow the same to design the same that is being shown in the video tutorial, and you can also enhance it or modify it according to your own will and wish.
Okay.
Hello, sir. I am Mitra.
Yes.
Sir, what we want to do after the sign up, sir?
So once you are sign up, it will take you to your dashboard. On your dashboard, you will be able to access the courses. Once you click on any course, it will take you inside the video series, and you can start watching those videos and solving the quizzes. Simultaneously, the instructions given in the videos are to be followed, whether it is with respect to downloading the software or accessing the software. And once you are following, so you have to follow the video and the instructions simultaneously for creation of game.
Sir, excuse
Okay,
me.
thank you, sir.
Sir, is there any maximum age limit for the registration? Because while I am getting login, it is not taking BO4 1975.
Right, sir. So we had actually we had got that query in the earlier as well, and we have resolved that query, sir. Just wait for a couple more days, and that particular issue will be resolved from Monday onwards. You will see the whole age bracket appearing on that scene. Thank you so much for reminding.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so another query which has come is for creating games, do we have to install Scratch or can we directly do it from the website? You don't necessarily need to download it, download and install it. You can do it online as well.
कुछ नहीं होता तो उसमें बीमार पड़ जाओगे तुम बैठो तो
Sir, there is a
query which has come is, sir, videos are given in a website also, so will this webinar series cover the same content or something different? Yes, the webinar series right now, as we know that there are many users who have recently logged in this particular initiative, so that is one major reason that we are conducting this session, just to give an overview. But down the line, with more series coming in, we'll be having a very defined structured details or very specific game creation related content as well. Can we get a recording of this session? Yes, definitely you will be able to get the recording. We'll be able to share the recording after the session. Is there any
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, myself Riddhi Malhotra. I am a student of APJ School, Pritampura. I want to ask that how can we download Scratch on a computer?
So we will be doing a dedicated video series on how to download on Scratch, and we'll be conducting a session as well. I would urge you to join that particular session. If you have already registered with us, we'll be sending out a mail back again to you, and you will be able to follow that process. Simultaneously, the process for downloading Scratch and installing Scratch is given in the course module itself. You can access that from there. Third option would be that we will be putting up that video series on our YouTube channel, so that you can access those series from there as well.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So
Sir, what is the YouTube channel link?
Sorry,
Sir,
can you
what
repeat
is
the question?
YouTube channel?
So we will be Yes, so we will be listing down all the details while sending the mail to you. So please wait for please give us some time to send the mail to you, and from there you will be giving you the links as well. One additional important important thing that I will share it for the teacher. So we will be coming up with a certification series as well, where we will encourage the teachers to motivate their peers, to the peer teacher, and as well as the school or any other school who you are able to reach out to, and once you connect them to us, we will be giving the certificate of recognition to you based on the support provided by provided by the particular teacher to us. I would request everybody to mute your mic so that we can hear so that we can answer the queries. So yeah,
Hello, sir.
as I was telling, yes.
Sir, after selection, it is showing. Please select the video from the course section to play.
Yes, on the left hand side, sir, you will see the table of content. Once you click on any particular section, the first section, you will see a text written as about game development. Click on it. Once you click on it, you will see on the right hand side the video start appearing. Play the video and go to and enjoy.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. So another query.
And so, can we register and learn the courses from mobile?
Yes, so I will club two queries with it. So your query and another question that we have got is, can we distribute a project or game developed on this platform to any Android, iPhone devices? Beginner course will not have that facility. It does not have the facility, but yes, intermediate courses and the advanced courses, which will be on Unity, will have the feature where you can actually convert those and put it on the Android platform or any iOS platform which you feel like.
Sir? Hello. So what all is basically in Scratch?
Sorry, what all?
Sir, what all is basically in Scratch?
So Scratch is a dragon. So if I don't answer your query, if I'm understanding it correctly, your question is, what are the features there in Scratch?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Scratch is, in simple terms, is a very is a simple drag and drop programming tool, which does not give a which is very visually appealing, and anybody can learn to create small and basic games using Scratch platform. So Scratch, and if there are if there is any challenge, any query, or any issue that comes in Scratch, there is a whole lot of community available where you can raise your query, and there are a whole lot of people who can help you in answering that and trying to provide a solution as well. So so it's a very interesting.
Adding on to your earlier query, there's another query, interesting question by Mr. Abdul Jabbar in the chat. So can this work on mobile? So yes, our gaming solution can be accessed from the mobile phone as well, but you need to, if you are facing any challenges, you need to turn on the desktop mode from the settings. Then you can view and take the courses and watch the videos. Also, you said it's not necessary, but it's advised that if you have a computer or laptop,
or a tablet.
Or a tablet, it will be very easy for you to access. And also, what kind of connection is required? I'm belonging to tribal area, so if you have a stable internet which can play videos like YouTube videos so similar videos will be there in the gaming solution as tutorials, so that can be played as well.
Also, if you have a very poor internet connection and the video are not able to stream properly, you can download the scripts for that particular video and follow the instructions from there. The video scripts are same as the video. Okay. So yeah, as I was talking about the teacher contribution, as I was telling, that we would urge the teachers, if you can connect us with the non-ATS, or if you would like to have a more dedicated session, a short session for your school and for your teachers, we are happy to conduct those trainings, short trainings for you. Feel free to reach out to us. It's not a mandate that we have to we have to conduct a whole long day or very long training that need to be conducted. It will be a very short, depending on your flexibility and time, we'll be able to conduct those trainings for you.
Also, sir, during the session, there was a teacher who was navigating through the AIM website and was unable to locate how she can go ahead. So, shall I share the screen and show how they can access the
Yes,
screen?
yes, please do, please do. By the time I'll be solving the query, so do we able to develop do we able to develop game after completing the beginner session? Yes, after once no, basically, if I am answering it correctly to this question, you will be developing the game throughout the course. So in each course, there are different projects. Each project in itself is a game. So once you are creating a game, you will be doing it through project itself.
Sir?
Hello, sir.
Sir, kindly provide the details. Where can we send a request to conduct a session for teachers in a school? You can, Ajit, if you can show the screen of the email ID and reference.
Okay, shall I show this after this, sir? Or
Yeah, sure. So we are just typing down. I'll just type down our email ID. It is very simple. tech@learninglinksindia.org. Also, we will be showing it on the screen, as well as the mail IDs from which you are getting the mail on. You can respond to that same mail, and we'll be able to take the conversation forward offline.
Sir, I have two queries. First is that how can we make our own games? Sir, how can we make our own games?
How can you make so you have to access the courses, follow the instructions mentioned in the courses, and you will be able to create the games very easily.
Sir, second is how can a student can contribute in this session?
So there are two ways the student can contribute to it. Number one is you can contribute by learning itself, by creating more and more games, sharing it with us, so that we can see what is the progress that you have made. Also, you can share it with your teachers, your peers, your friends, who can give you feedback over it, or who can help you improvising that particular game. Second is you can conduct your own gaming series, gaming module sessions for your friends, for your family, for your non-ATL students. If you are a non-ATL student, for your ATL friends, anybody who you feel like, you can conduct your own YouTube session or webinar, that if you are comfortable doing so, we would urge you that you just reach out to us before conducting that particular session, so that we can take the record of that particular session, also provide you with more references which you can use it for conducting those sessions. I hope I answered your query.
Sir, can MMOs be created by Construct?
Can you repeat it? Sorry.
Sir, I have time.
We can't hear you. Can you repeat the question, please?
I've typed it.
Okay. After registration, what can I do? Once you are registering yourself, you have to log in. You will see
Sir, what is the last date to apply for the registration?
Okay, let's take it one at a time.
Because
we are getting multiple queries at the same time. So one of the teacher was asking how to navigate from the AIMS website. So this is the AIM web portal, which you might be able to see on your screen. Can I get a confirmation, sir?
Yeah.
So this web portal is aim.gov.in, which you have seen during the session at the beginning. In this tab, at the header, you will be finding Home, Overview, Atal Tinkering Labs. If you click on this drop down, the fourth option will be ATL Curriculum. Once you click on this, you will be taken to a new web page, which looks something like this. Come down, and you will be finding ATL gaming module here. If you click on this, there will be two more options. gaming module and additional activity sheet. So click on gaming module. This will take you through to the Planet Code website, which is the actual gaming solution. Yeah. So here you can see this your website. Once you click on that gaming module, it looks something like this. So as you have already seen how to register. You can register from here or directly from the top of the page. Okay, I have already signed in just to show.
So you can show the dashboard, Asjad.
Yes. Yeah. So once you log in, your dashboard looks something like this with options like edit profile, wherein you can give your
so you will be able to upload your projects as well. Right now it is disabled, but we'll be soon opening that.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, can you repeat your email ID?
Yeah, we'll be showing the email ID at the end of the session. Another query by ma'am is that as a teacher, do we have to register today for the next session? Ma'am, we'll be conducting the series of session and we'll be rolling out the survey. We'll be rolling out the registration form. Feel free to fill in those details and we will be sharing the session details as much. This is the first in series that we have done it. Soon we'll be taking this series in more detail, explaining each course, maybe giving the idea on creating your own game. So everything will be done in parts. Another query is, can we do scratch programming in mobile? Could you please repeat what change should be done in mobile? You can actually watch the videos available on the portal. And for doing the programming, you need to have the minimum possible thing is either tablet. So is you provide some sort of certification after creating the game? Yes, this is one important feature which is both applicable to the teachers as well as student. For the teachers, if you are connecting us to conduct a session, conduct a short training session for your particular school, or you connect us with a different school, or maybe your peers and everybody, we will be able to give you a certificate of recognition in terms of your contribution towards nation building. Simultaneously, yes, for the students, we will be having a certification which will be made available. That feature will be made available soon, and the student will be getting certification from the website itself. So right now, the medals that you are able to see and visible over there will be activated, and soon those activated. Once you finish the course, you will be able to get your certifications, download your certificates from there. Another query that we have.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I'm the student from APJ Panchil Park. Sir, your voice was breaking. Can you please repeat what you said just right now?
Yeah. So I had repeated that the students will be able to download their certificates. Soon the feature will be made available. Right now, if you are able to finish up the courses, we are in the process of creating your certificates, and sometime later in the month, you will be able to access those certificates for the courses which you have completed. For the teachers, if the teacher is able to connect us or would like us to conduct a session for their teachers or the students in their school, the teachers in turn will get eligible for receiving the certificate for their excellence and recognition for the contribution towards supporting the initiative, which can add a value for the nation building initiative. Next is training. What you propose for the schools on demand basis will be online or offline. So the training that we are proposing can be done online or offline based on your convenience and flexibility. We urge to conduct the sessions online, as the portal is majorly about online. So it is not necessary that we have to conduct that particular training when the teachers are present in school. So right, for example, if the teachers right now at their homes also, and if you are able to connect them at one common point at one common time, and if you want to conduct us a virtual session, we will be able to conduct that virtual session for you. uh, can we have a dedicated session for the teachers of Sanskriti? Yes, sir. I would, Ms. Sumana, I would request you to please write a mail to us so that we will be able to take the conversation offline, and we'll be able to conduct the session for you. So Azad, please note down Sumana ma'am's request, and please reach her offline for conducting the session for her
Sure.
school. Uh, so from
As
where
sir
we will
was
get the
also telling,
yeah.
there were a few queries that how to access the course. So once you log in with your credentials, you can see as sir was telling, currently there are badges. For Scratch, you'll be having bronze medal. For Construct, you'll be having silver. And once you complete the Unity course, you'll be getting the gold medal. These are for now. But as sir rightly said, we are in process of introducing certificates so that whenever the student or the user completes any level, they'll be getting certified. And if you want to access the course, in your dashboard you'll be seeing Scratch, Construct and Unity. If you click on any of the course, it will take you to this page wherein there will be a small introduction about Scratch, what you learn, and where all this Scratch came from. And if you want to download Scratch, you can go ahead on this website, which is available on your screen, scratch.mit.edu. Also, if you are unable to see, that will be there in the second video itself. Now, someone was telling they are unable to play the video. Just to show one quick example of how they can play the video. As you can see, as we have seen already in the presentation, here when I click on the video, it brings me to this page, wherein on my left it is written about game development, and it says that please select the video. So once if I click on this about game development, it loads the video in this particular black screen, and here you can watch the videos and start your learning journey from here. As you can see, once I play, I don't know if you will be able to hear this. I'll quickly play for this like 2-3 seconds, and then I'll pause that.
Yeah. Sure. So as you can see, the video is playing. So this is the process of watching the videos and attending the course. As that, I would request you to show the email details to the audience so that they can note down if they have any queries and the different courses, the links for the resources as well. With Ms. Preeti had raised a query, that is that developed game will be applicable for the student to access it offline mode. Yes, definitely, ma'am. Once the game is developed, it is downloaded as a file format, and that file format can be accessed by anybody once it is sent to the concerned person. Another query from Mr. Bharat is that can we code through Scratch on tablet? Definitely, yes. There is an Android application of Scratch which can be downloaded and can be accessed from there. Is it mandatory to have a graphics card in laptop for running the Scratch? Not necessarily, need not necessary, sir. You can access the Scratch online version which does not require a graphics card. Another query from Miss. Yes, sorry.
Sir, how to download, sir?
You will so we will be sharing the references. We'll be sharing the references of over mails. As Asjad is showing the important links. These links can be accessed. We have a YouTube channel as well, which Asjad will be talking about in some time, which can be accessed from anywhere if you have a working internet connectivity, and you'll be able to see that. Another query from Miss Seema is that they wanted to conduct a session for our teachers. Kindly note DTEA Senior Secondary School, Pusa Road. Sure, ma'am. We will be connecting it with you. We would request you just not to miss out any or connect with the wrong email ID. We would urge you to just say just write one-liner mail to us so that we'll connect offline with you and take this conversation forward for conducting teacher training. Is there any limit for the participant teachers? No, ma'am. There is no limit for the teachers. As many teachers who wants to take up this session can take it up. Another query that is that, sir, where do we get this recorded session? So we'll be sending the recording of this session over mail. It will be available over YouTube, ma'am. Can our games be uploaded on
sir?
Play Store? Yes, the games can be uploaded on Play Store for the ones which are developed under intermediate and advanced courses. Yes, sir. Thank you. You had a query.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So I am a student from APJ School, Panchil Park. So I just wanted to know that will we cover C# programming language in this session?
C# programming will be, so if you are really keen in learning C# programming, we will be doing a short series maybe sometime later in this year when the advanced course module is open, as well as we would highly encourage you to learn C# programming using the advanced course module once it is open, because it will help you in creating very interactive AR VR based games, or any multimedia very professional games if you learn C# program.
Sir, for registration, we have to make an account.
Yes, you need not. So for a student, it is not compulsory to have your email ID. You can register without your email ID as well. Query that we have received: if we are going to have a session for our teachers, how long will the session for the teachers? It depends, ma'am. So it is, as I said, that we have very flexible module which ranges from 20-minute session to 1 hour session. Ideally, we would request to give a minimum 40 to 45 minutes to cover each and every aspect of the gaming module.
Sir, I have a query. Can massively multiplayer online games (MMO) be created by the
One query at a time. Yes, the previous person who had the query.
Sir, can massively multiplayer online games (MMO) be created by using Construct?
Yes, it can be.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, I have registered in the Planet Code game, and there is my
Okay, so for the students, we will be conducting. So for the students, we will be conducting the session for you guys separately, where we will be answering all your queries. I would request the teachers, if there are any queries with you regarding conducting off session or conducting teacher training for you for your school, feel free to reach out to us at tech@learninglinksindia.org. We'll be happy to connect with you offline on one-on-one mode and take the conversation forward with you. Second is, for the students, we would request you to go to the references which we will be sharing over mail. If you have registered with us over mail, we'll be sending the resources. But if you want to access, please go to ATL Game Development Platform. There is a YouTube channel called ATL Game Development Platform. Azit, if you can show the previous slide as well.
Yes.
You can go to the ATL Game Development Platform channel, and you can access the videos from here. Simultaneously, there are video series which are being done on Utter Innovation Mission YouTube page as well. There you can get the details about how you can access and how you can create the game from there. So we have these video references. We have these resources available with us. We will be sharing over mail. We'll be sharing this presentation as well as the references for your records, and for in turn, if you want to conduct a session for your peers and teams, please do conduct. I would urge the other students also to conduct the session for your students, friends, family members, and other also. Just we would request you to write a mail to us so that we can share the necessary resources with you and get the download on what is the session that you are conducting on. Can we make Minecraft? I have a query. Vanna ma'am has said that they'll be approaching us to conducting a session for our school teachers. Definitely, ma'am, we are happy to conduct the teacher training for you. And please, if you have any other schools, if it is non-ATL, we would encourage, because this is our way of giving. And if more and more number of schools, more and more number of students can learn this skill from this initiative, we are happy to do so.
Yeah, if any of the teachers were not able to, one second, if any of the teachers were not able to note down the email ID, so they can have a look at the screen, tech@learninglinksindia.org. So this is the same email ID from where you have received the invite to join this session. So from the same email, you will be getting all the resources, as sir rightly pointed. We'll be sharing all the links, all the resources with you. And if you have any query, any challenge, or if you need any support, like we are getting a lot of requests from the teachers as well for conducting these sessions, we'll be very happy to take that up. So we request you to just write us on this particular mail ID, and we'll be taking ahead from there.
Also, yes, we will be able to conduct the session for the school of chains as well. If you have a chain of school for like Delhi Public School or any other school which has multiple chains throughout the country, we are happy to conduct the session for all set of schools in one go as well. So based on your requirement, based on your flexibility, time availability, we are happy to conduct those sessions for you.
So can games like Grand Theft Auto 5 and Metal Gear Solid be created by using the 3 engines?
Yes, so definitely, I think with the intermediate level of course, you will be able to
go and sit down.
For the games like Grand Theft and other games, you will be able to create it once you are well versed with the advanced course, which is Unity. Some of the games which I can tell you, which have been developed, and if you are not aware of, if you have played Pokemon Go, or games like Subway Surfer, or if I have to recollect, Temple Run. These all games are developed in Unity. So maybe one day you can create your own game and can get popularized with that.
So can AR games like Pokemon Go be created by using Unity?
Yes, it can be.
Yes, hello, sir. I have a
query. Ma'am has said that they'll be we inform teachers from non-ATL school to contact you for the conducting session. Thank you so much, ma'am. Please feel free. Please please, if you can share their email ID also with us, we'll take offline. You can type the email ID in the chat section so that we can connect with them offline as well.
Hello. So when is the next session?
Next session we will be communicating over mail, ma'am. We will be conducting, so as we have already got a huge amount of requests, so we are conducting the session in batches. But if there is a session which you feel like, which you would like us to conduct for your set of students, please write a mail to us. We will be able to conduct the session offline for them as per your convenience.
Okay, what is the agenda for the next session?
Hello, sir. I have one query.
Is there any condition to have minimum number of teachers in the session? No, ma'am. There is no, sir. There is no condition to have minimum number of teachers. Ranging from 1 to 200, 400 teacher is also fine with us. How the students can see recording of this session? So we'll be sending the reference video link of this particular session. So Ajit, can we record this email address? Ajit, you there?
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So there is a email ID written by Mr. Prince. I would request, if Mr. Prince is a principal, if it is a teacher, can you just message in the chat box so that we know that to connect with you. Yes, ma'am, you had a query.
What would be the agenda for the next session?
The agenda, if you have attended this session, ma'am, next agenda would be going in deeper about the beginner course and how to take up the beginner course with your set of student if you are a teacher.
Can we
And if
make the game like GTA V5?
one second, so one second, sorry. So yeah, as ma'am, you I was answering your query, so we will be able to
Yeah.
doing the session in detail, and we'll be running it through in live about how actually the game can be created in the next session.
Okay, and sir, if we want to add few of our students
Hmm.
to this session, how are we going to connect? Because they have not registered, but if they want to
Okay.
join the next session,
Sure, ma'am. So what I would request you, ma'am, if you can just write a mail to us, what we will do, we will conduct a separate online session for you guys at a defined time as at your convenience, so that we can so that it will be a purely dedicated session for your school or for your.
Can we make a game like GTA 5?
Yes, it is possible in Unity. Uh, there is a
So can you please tell
question,
how
offline
can we
sessions
make?
for teachers should be conducted, offline session for teachers to be conducted, so we learn more and convey to the student and teacher. Yes, sure, sir. So if you can share the details of your school, we'll be able to connect with the right mentor for that particular school who can conduct the session in turn for your school, so that won't be a problem for us. Ajit, please put the details of Miss Mukta for the mass session. Um, uh,
Sure, sir.
Mr. Ashutosh has asked that our school has a number of change. Definitely, very soon we will contact you. Yes, sir. We would encourage. So, as you have informed us, if you want us to connect with you, we will ask our team members to connect directly with you, who in turn can conduct the teacher training for your chain of schools. Uh, will you share link of the recording of a registered email? Yes, we will be sharing these details with you,
Can,
ma'am. Ajit, please record the details of Miss
can
Sonika
we
as
make a
well.
game like GTA?
Sure.
Yes, you can make. You can make.
Okay,
Sir,
thank you.
what are the coding languages required for a game to be made?
The coding languages required for the advanced would be C sharp, but not in detail very much. Slowly and gradually, once you learn, you will understand. So I would not suggest you to look at the programming right now because it is very overwhelming. I would still urge you to go with the process that is being suggested, so that the learning is very immersive with you. Miss Emima has asked that will you conduct separate session for teachers with which is related to academics. Yes, ma'am. We will be conducting. So for the set of teachers, we will be having a teacher dedicated session and not mixing with the students one. Uh, uh, Mr. Ashutosh has just said, will you provide a purely definited session based on Scratch? Yes, sir. We will be able to provide that depending on the request. If you want us to conduct a dedicated session for your set of school, whether it's students or teachers, we will be able to conduct that. However, we will be conducting a dedicated, purely definited session on Scratch in the next series. I mean, in this series itself, but in the next coming sessions.
So how can I register for the next session?
If you have already registered with us, we will be rolling out the registration mail as you have received it previously on your either ATL groups or over your mail or on the Facebook. We will be publishing that. Just watch out for it and register over there. Uh, So we will have to. So as we have informed that if you have already registered with us, it is. I would encourage you in order to not miss out you from the next session. And as the next session will be talking about what is the session about. If you are interested, please do register, just not to miss out the previous audience. We would urge you to do that. Sir, will there be a defined session on Scratch? Yes, it will be. Sir, we have just started with ATL in our school, so will you be teaching Scratch in the session module? Yes, sir, we will. Yes, ma'am, we will be doing it. But as you have recently started, we would request you to write a mail to us so that we can do a dedicated training for your set of audience. Mr. Abdul Jabbar has raised a query. So now at present summer vacations, how a student can participate or join this? As we have as it is conveyed that this particular platform is an online platform, and we don't need the audience to sit in one common place, so they can join the session from their home itself. Whether it is a teacher training, even teachers can attend the teacher training from their home, or if it is a student, can attend this particular their dedicated session from their home. Only thing what we would request, if you have already started with the sessions or the classes, we would request you to just give us half an hour slot in your online classes, so that we can conduct this session for you in that particular time slot. If you have already started with the online classes for your school children or for your school. Will teacher receive any certificate for developing games? Definitely, ma'am. You will get the certificates if you are able to create games on the portal. However, there is another option that if you are encouraging the teacher trainings for your school or for any other school or for the set of audience, we will be providing a certificate of recognition for contribution towards the nation building and promoting this particular initiative as well. Sure. So any last two queries, if there is any, and we will be signing off post then.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, are these series only for the teachers, or it's also for the students? Actually, today most of the queries which were answered were for the teachers. So the upcoming series are they also for the teachers or for the students?
So the ma'am, the audience who are registered with us, if they are students, as we got to know that today the majority of audience were teachers today. So we have curated the session specifically for teachers so that we can answer their queries. But necessarily we will be conducting purely sessions for the student as well. If you feel that you want to have a dedicated session for your set of students, along with you being there, we would encourage you to just write a mail so that we can do a dedicated training for your set of students and answer their queries. Hope I answered your query, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah. So so the other session we'll be notifying it to the next batch. And if you have a special request of conducting a specific session on any particular topic on the or a simple Q&A query session for your set of students, we would urge you to write a mail to us. If you are a teacher, we would urge, or if you are a student, we would urge you to please pass the messaging to the teacher so that they can write a mail to us and we can take the conversation offline and conduct a dedicated set of trainings for you. So it will be easy for us also, and we'll be able to answer all your queries as well. Just like we are not able to answer some of the queries here, we will be able to answer the queries if it is more dedicated. So that's one way of channelizing. Second thing is, if you are a student or a teacher, or if you have any query, or if we are not able to answer your query, feel free to reach out to us. Please write a mail to us at tech@learninglinksindia.org, and we'll be able to resolve your query. As I listed it down, we have certifications for both the students and teachers. Student will be able to access the certificate after some time in this particular year once they finish up the course from their portal itself, and teacher will be having a dedicated portal coming soon on the website, as well as they will be eligible for getting the certificates of recognition and excellence based on their contribution towards teacher training, conducting of this particular session in one way or the other. So yeah, we are so make sure that you subscribe to our social media pages. on Facebook and Twitter. Also, we have the YouTube channels with us. One is ATL Game Development Platform, and another one is the Atal Innovation Mission. Please feel free to access those, as we would be putting up all the resources, all the webinars, all the webinar series, queries, questionnaire over there, and you will be able to access from there. Also, please
Sir,
subscribe to them, so to not to miss out any upcoming videos or any new videos, and you can watch the existing videos on the gaming solution, and you will be notified about our future webinars as well if you register with us over the series. Yes, Asjad.
Yes, sir. Jayapriya ma'am asked, like, she had a final question, that is the dedication session for the teachers free of cost? Yes, every session that we conduct is for free of cost. We don't charge even a single penny for either a student session or a teacher session. Also, Ms. Preeti has asked for our contact numbers, so we'll not be able to share our contact numbers for now. However, the same email ID from which you have registered will be sharing all the resources, all the links of the resources from where you can access. We request you to respond back to that particular email address, and we'll be able to continue our communication from there. So hopefully our email
also
ID.
we have a,
yes,
just to adding on to Asjad's point, we have a dedicated team who's working hourly towards this particular project and this particular initiative. Once you reach out to us over mail and share your contact details, we will be getting back to you over that particular phone number once you share your details with us. However, the contact number, we would not recommend to share that number in the public platform as of now. But if there is specific details you wanted us to reach out to, we will surely be able to reach out over phone. As Sakshi has conveyed that we will have to register again. The session would begin from 12th, 19th, and 26th of June, which we will be able to conduct. But however, if there is a dedicated session which you want us, as I communicated, that if you don't want to wait, if you are a teacher specifically,
Hello,
and don't want to wait. If you don't want to wait for the particular date, we will be able to conduct a dedicated session for your school teachers, for your student. But you have to reach out to us. You have to write a mail to us, share your contact details so that our team can reach out back to you. So as Ms. Lakshmi has put up the email ID, maybe Asjad, we can note it down and share it. We can connect offline with her. As Mr. Ashutosh has asked, sir, for practical sessions totally based on Scratch, for teachers, what kind of stuff you required? For practical sessions, sir, we just, I'm sure that the teacher will be logging in either using a tablet or laptop or a system. If they are having the access to it, that is good enough for us. If they don't have the access to it, even if they are logging in through mobile phone, they can understand the process. And maybe at later stage, once we share the reference link for that particular session, she will be able to conduct it once she joins back the school or when she's available. As Sakshi has also conveyed that for the next session, a fresh link will be sent by AIM team to you. So all the team members, so as each video is to be treated as an individual, and maybe the next session will not be covering these aspects, will be going in detail. So there'll be a fresh link which will be shared by them. So so yeah, Miss Aarti has also asked the same thing, that is a dedicated session for it's free of cost. Yes, as Asjad has informed that it's free of cost. Yes. Any last query we have before we sign off? Great. So thank you so much, everybody. Thank you so much, all the participants, to join in and listening to us so patiently. We are happy to answer more of your queries. If we are not able to answer your queries, we would request you to send a mail to us so that we are able to answer your queries. Secondly, if you are a teacher and want us to conduct a session, we we are happy to conduct a session. We'll take it up offline. Just requesting you to write a mail to us. If you are a student and would like if you want us to have, if you have any challenge, any problem that you are facing, please feel free to write to us and we'll be able to answer that. Our email ID is you can see on the screen, tech@learninglinksindia.org, and we will be sharing the resources for this particular session, and we will be sharing the resources for this particular session, and feel free to reach out to us. Also, if you are a student and you are conducting a session for your friends, your family, your members, we would request you to write a mail back to us so that we can share you additional resources, and we can help you in curating that particular session for your audience. So thank you so much, guys, for joining at this time. Happy tinkering, and feel free to connect with us for any problem, any query that you have related to the website. Thanks a lot.